Welcome to the brand new episode of Auto Tech Talk. And in this episode, I introduce you to the 2023 Range Rover Sport and the Range Rover Vogue. So let's just do less of the talk and more on the driving. So starting off with the most prestigious one dedicated to the Queen. The Vogue is a luxury icon for Land Rover. It is an interpretation exhibition for what luxury is according to Land Rover. Compared to its predecessor, the success has more defined smooth textures, emphasized more by the reinterpreted clean front bumper design. The new Vogue features updated lamps with new LED design as well as a new grille pattern. The successor is clean on the front. Getting into rear exterior design, it is completely reimagined. The rear lights no longer extend on the rear side body panel, but instead they stay idle and play the role of outside walls for the home created for the brand's identity. The interior finishes exhibit matchless craftsmanship. It features new fresh veneers, distinct detailing of the center console, a mounted 13.1-inch touch infotainment display deviating from the built-in touch display from its predecessor. Seats are available in 5 types of refined leather. The Quadrat premium textile and ultra fabrics provide a soft material with a modern look. Wood trims on the center console and on the side door panels provide more detail and definition as well as clarity that one is traveling in a luxury icon. On this 2023 model, customers can opt for a leather-free in substitution of wool or other textiles. Customers can either opt for a 4, 5 or 7 seat configuration, though many gave the impression that the last rows are not friendly when coming to generous tall people, but for the kids, it is as good as sitting on a second row. Range Rover offers an optional divider in the cargo area to prevent items from being tossed around during travel, especially during cornering. The SV long wheelbase model is available in 4 or 5 seat configuration. In the 4 seat configuration, of course, you experience a pure prestigious accommodation that exclusively includes a refrigerator. To keep you connected in the car, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are available, as well as 11.4-inch rear head-mounted screens. The 2023 Vogue further features Amazon's Alexa voice assistance, wireless smartphone charging, Sirius satellite radio, and many more. The liftgate is also available for outdoor events and seating. Getting into performance specs, the new Vogue will be available in 3 models, starting off with the 395 horsepower inline-6 engine featuring a 48 hybrid system, a 4.4-litre 523 horsepower V8 engine, by which Land Rover identifies it as the P530, as well as the 434 horsepower offering a 48 miles of electric-only drive range. Land Rover promised that in 2024 we will have the full electric version of the Vogue. Safety features include the automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure assist and lane keeping assist, as well as adaptive cruise control. One last tangible personal feature actually is the image splitting mirror. This is convenient because if you're driving alone with a kid on a car seat, you can always monitor and react immediately to any unfavorable event. So price ranges of the Vogue are $95,150 for the SE model, $153,350 for the autobiography, and $159,550 for the first edition. And we are wrapping it up with the Range Rover Sport, carrying an unrivaled aesthetic design characteristic. The Range Rover Sport design language has been completely refined, given new properties as a source to enter into new pioneering vehicle segments. It is all evident from the old generation models that were massive in looks and size, how it transformed from being an SUV to an SUV coupe. Now the Sport carries more trim, elegant features. The vehicle is more sleek, carries an image of lightweightness and capability to deliver more power. Getting to the 2023 model, compared to its predecessor in terms of design, the rear lights have been updated, as well as the bumpers front and rear, and the headlamps feature a new LED design. Engine performance specs do not really differ much from the Vogue. The new Sport customers will have options, starting off with the 3-litre inline-6 that uses a 48-volt hybrid system, which is found on the entry level and producing 355 horsepower in the P360 SE and 395 horsepower in the P400 SE Dynamic. A plug-in hybrid P440e setup is exclusive to the autobiography trim and pairs an electric motor to the inline 6 for a combined 434 horsepower. The P530 First Edition, which is available only in a 4.4-litre V8 engine that delivers 523 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour for the Sport is estimated to be 4.3 seconds. All models will come standard with all-wheel drive, adjustable air suspension, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Stormer handling pack will be an optional performance feature, which will add rear wheel steering at an angle up to 7.5 degrees and torque vectoring systems. Land Rover promises to deliver a full EV version of the Sport in the year 2024, but meanwhile you wait, the Sport has the plug-in hybrid model that is equipped with a 31.8 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a 48-mile range. The interior is completely updated, made exceptional by new Land Rover's PV Pro 13.1-inch touch input display, refined textures on the dash panel as well as on the side door panels. The interior further features lightweight ultra fabrics with no compromise on quality or performance. Leather options range from grained, Windsor and soft semi-aniline leather options. The seats are also sculpted to give you more stability and comfort even in harsh cornering events. Land Rover offers a massage option on the seats as well as powerful adjustment capability in 22 ways and ventilation. The purification system is available to eliminate odors, viruses and bacteria inside the cabin. Connectivity: the Sport comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard, wireless charging pad beneath the infotainment screen, speakers on the rear and front headrest as well as a noise cancellation system. Again, Amazon's Alexa voice assistants available as found in the Vogue. Safety, as it is Land Rover's priority. Following safety features come as standard: automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control also applicable in off-road conditions, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. Range models start with the P360 SE with a price of $84,350, P400 SE Dynamic at a price of $91,350, P440e Autobiography with a tag of $105,550, and the P350 First Edition with a price tag of $122,850. So now you're chilling out there and you're like, which one do I go for? Is it the Vogue? Is it the Sport? Well, let me break it down to you. The Sport and the Vogue definitely do offer similar features of drive, performance, and comfort. So which one to go for is simply a bit of knowing which one describes you best. Are you more of a dignitary person, prestigious? Then the Vogue was definitely dedicated to you. The Sport, as its name says, it is sporty, definitely something to opt for if looking for perfect, luxurious, powerful machine that has ultimate performance for different types of terrains. So, and the Sport as well can definitely execute agile driving dynamics. So along those lines, you should definitely be able to find yourself there. So alright, otherwise it's been amazing. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers.